ginawa.
3, 2, 1, go.
Happy birthday, Borgie. Si Borgie, actually, nung nakita ko siya, yung first time kong, na kasama siya sa CG, I remember yung unang-unang CG namin, talagang napawawa ko nun na, hindi, although wala akong information about Borgie initially, pero nung nalaman ko yung buhay niya, how he persevered, how he, yung mga, yes, he is facing the challenge, pero parang he is the proof na, yun nga, all things are possible, as long as we have that, dedication, as long as we have that passion to really, overcome things in spite of his physical, yung physical status or situation niya. So, ayun. And naalala ko talaga one time nung after nung CG natin, Borgie, talagang kinikwento kita sa mga kasama ko sa youth. Na itong tao na to, grabe, parang talagang siya yung parang perfect example ng ng hard work. Tapos naalala ko noon yung ako kompleto, walang problema sa katawan, physically walang problema. Pero may mga times na na parang feeling ko hindi ko kayang gawin yung mga ibang bagay. O kaya parang mahina yung loob ko in terms of doing some other things. Pero nung nalaman ko yung kwento ni Borgie na nag-aral sa TESDA, talagang pumasok sa school na nakakasama normal kids. So parang ibang klase yung lakas ng loob niya at saka yung perseverance niya. Yung perseverance mo. Kasi ginawa mo yung lahat. Ikaw yun. You have all the credit in it. And talagang nakakabilib ka. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Ikaw mo nakakabilib ka. Ayun. Salamat for being an inspiration to us. And for setting that mind, for letting us have that mindset na parang all things are possible. And we can do anything, we can do everything as long as we really want it, and you have that passion to do it. And so thank you, Borgie, and happy birthday.
Thank you.